Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of online dating for the first time, Bumble is an awesome app to start with. It's user-friendly, empowering, and packed with features to help you make genuine connections. In this complete beginner's guide for 2025, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can get swiping in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, downloading Bumble is super straightforward. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iPhone, and search for Bumble. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up using your email, phone number, or even connect via Facebook or Apple. Remember, in 2025, Bumble has enhanced its verification process, so you'll get a quick prompt to verify your account with a selfie or ID for added safety. Next, it's time to set up your profile. This is your chance to shine. Upload a few clear, recent photos, aim for at least 3, and write a fun, authentic bio that showcases your personality. Don't forget to set your preferences, like age range, distance, and what you're looking for, whether it's dating, friends, or networking. Bumble's 2025 update includes more inclusive options, so you can specify pronouns and interests easily. Now, let's talk about the core of Bumble: swiping and matching. The app's unique feature is that women make the first move in heterosexual matches, which reduces unwanted messages and makes things more respectful. Simply swipe right on profiles you like and left on those you don't. If you both swipe right, it's a match. For same-sex or non-binary matches, anyone can start the conversation. Once matched, you have 24 hours to send a message, or the match expires. That's Bumble's way of keeping things fresh and encouraging quick responses. In the chat, keep it light and engaging. Bumble also offers prompts and questions to break the ice. Oh, and if you're into premium features, consider Bumble Boost or Premium for perks like unlimited swipes and profile visibility boosts. Finally, always prioritize safety. Use the app's built-in features like photo verification and reporting tools, and never share personal info too soon. There you have it. You're now a Bumble pro. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping.